Good morning. Let's look at the charts. We're not going to be looking at 4 hour and above anymore because we're trading the 1 minute. But right now what I see, relative equal lows here and buy side liquidity up here. Earlier I did take a couple trades going long because I saw this inverse fair value gap break right there. And it didn't work. I took a couple trades and I'm down, and I was wondering why, and the reason why is because we have news today at 10 a.m. I didn't know that. I should have checked the calendar. So we're gonna wait until 10 a.m. to take another trade. That definitely threw me off because I was aiming for those highs up here, this buy side liquidity. But now that I look at the charts and now that I know that there's news, I see a lot of sell side liquidity here that's relatively equal. So I'm expecting price to come down and then come back up to take that pool of liquidity up there. Now if you look at London high was taken before New York opened, so most likely, more than not, that means that there's going to be a continuation up. So that's what I'm going to be expecting. I mean, look at all of this. There's relative equal highs there, and then there's buy side liquidity, and then there's buy side liquidity up here. So I'm definitely bullish today. So we're going to wait until after the news, and then we'll see how we do. Okay, we're going to watch price action during this manipulation. Let's look at that 1 minute chart. We're going to watch what price does here. Dang, look at that, 10 o'clock. It's going to sweep Asia lows. Right here. There we go. There we go. All right. All right, just a little market update. I think price wants to come back down into this fair value gap, which is in line with optimal trade entry on the 1 hour chart. So I'm going to be waiting until price comes down to here into this area, and then possibly maybe before lunch, a little before lunch PM session, price may reverse and head up. So that's what I'm going to be waiting for now. All right, price has currently sold off into optimal trade entry. There is a fair value gap here, and price is within that fair value gap in the 15-minute chart. Also within the 1 hour. So we are going to be looking in this area for a reversal to send price up during pre-lunch, lunch, and PM sessions to take out all of this liquidity. We are being patient. Okay, 5-minute chart. It's looking like this fair value gap here needs to be balanced. Order block marked. Once price displaces up here, creates a fair value gap for me to enter. This is going to be the change in the state of delivery that I'm going to be looking for. All right, price is moving up. I decided to enter this position here. I kind of pyramided in. I know I shouldn't have pyramided in, but I added a contract in this fair value gap because it was respecting it. So I bought one here, I bought one here, 2 sell stops here. I'm targeting this equal high right here, relative equal highs right there, and then I'm targeting this pool of liquidity up here. I don't want to wait. I don't want to hold till this large pool of buy sell liquidity. I just want to sell here. So those are my 2 stops. I'll keep y'all posted on how this position goes, but so far so good. My account is up 434 at the moment, with the dumb trades that I took up here when I was getting chopped up. But right now my account is up 454. I'm tempted to take one contract here so that I can lower my exposure. And you know what? I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take one contract here, lower my exposure and my risk. There we go. And then once this price action, hold on, I'm going to bring my stop up to here. And then if I get stopped out, then I'll look for another entry. Wanted to provide an update to the position. We are in lunch right now. I still have that one contract. I moved my take profit down to this high here, which is in line with New York AM high. I could hold it until this area here where there's a lot of buy side liquidity in this area, but I don't want to be greedy. Once it takes these highs, I'm going to look for another position to see what price does. Other than that, My position looks good. I trailed my stop loss up. So basically every time price takes a high, I'm trailing my stop loss up so that I can lock in some profits. So this is a risk-free trade at the moment. My account balance right now is up $1,000. So we'll see what happens. Will it hit my trailing stop? Bang! Hit my trailing stop. If you want to follow me on my journey, please subscribe. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button if you haven't already and leave a comment. I read all of the comments and I try to reply to most of them. Trading summary for today, 1.1K booked. Only took a total of 8 trades. Again, the 4 losing trades was because of the chop. I'll show you later. So today I was 50-50, came out on top. That one long position was 1.1K, and then I took another position. I exited short at 535 gains. I did enter another position for only $15 in gain. I'll show you later. These are my executions. I will say I think I managed my risk pretty well today, considering the madness that happened last week. Now remember, we do have news next week, and there are some heavy hitters. We have tomorrow at 8:30 we got core inflation. Thursday we have retail sales. Friday we have building permits, Michigan consumer sentiment. So there's going to be a lot of volatility, a lot of opportunities to take trades this week, but be careful. All right, let's look at the executions. So over here, this is all the chop that I traded into. These are the losing trades. This is one winning trade right here when I shorted, and then I realized that I'm gambling. So I took a step back and I waited. This is the first position that I took, and then I pyramided in here. I sold one contract here for 535 and let the other one ride up to 17,684. I wish I took it up here, but it's okay. I bought another contract here because it broke this fair value gap, going to the upside. It took out lunch high and I trailed it. I trailed my stop loss here, so that was only a $15 gain, so that's what you're seeing here. But overall, today was a great day. I need to walk away from the computer because I really want to take this trade up into those highs. So I'll catch y'all tomorrow.